What's up, you guys? Welcome back to Trucking and Budgets. My name is Lenice. In this video, we're going to be cash stuffing $205 for my TikTok shop. So this one is our variable expenses. So the first one is groceries. We're going to be cash stuffing $25. So 25. I think I'm gonna switch these out because I like the zipper envelopes better. 25. Next is gas, and we're gonna be stuffing $10. I'll be struggling with these ones. So when my envelopes come in the mail, I'm gonna switch everything out. Dining out is going to be getting 15, 10, and a 5. Yeah, because I had ordered some envelopes a while back, and literally like a while back, probably like a month ago, and I was wondering why they hadn't came in yet. Man, I checked the status. It said they put the wrong address. I put my right address, but I don't know. It was on some whole other stuff. So household's not gonna get nothing because I already had, I had bought some like bleach, cleaning supplies already. Miscellaneous gets nothing as of right now. Okay, next is the high priority binder, my favorite binder. Okay, so we're gonna be saving 10% of whatever money I get. So 10% of 205, or just say 200, is $20. So 2 tens. So I had added a new envelope deposit because I'm looking for an apartment right now. So that deposit's gonna get $25. Emergencies get $15, 10 and 5. But yeah, so emergencies get 15, insurance gets nothing. I'm gonna stuff that with my paycheck that's coming in. Prada Bear, she gets $10. Car maintenance gets 20. Let me tell y'all about that. So at work, I was leaving work and I backed up and I heard something go, psh, psh. I heard that. I'm like, what the hell? What was that? I'm like, dude, I know that wasn't my tire. Next thing you know, I'm driving and my air pressure is just going down real fast. So I had to pull over and all that extra crap, but I ended up having to get new tires. So I spent a whole $65. And yeah, so I gotta restuff that. I'm $10. Yeah, I'm trying to get my credit back right. So I'm using a self-credit card and it's really helping. It's building my credit back up. Personal gets nothing because I already had shopped. Clothing gets $10. Oops. See what I mean? I'm just all over the place. Bear with me, y'all. $10. Okay, car. Now this is I don't have like more stickers, you know, so I'm planning on saving up to get a Cricut so I can make my own stickers and designs and stuff. So this will be my car note, but I'm stuffing that next check. Okay. Receipts. So with receipts, I use the Fetch app. I'm gonna link my code up on the screen right here. If you use my code, you get 2,000 points. And I get 2,000 points, and you can, when you scan your receipts, you get free gift cards. So for Amazon, Target, anything on there, you can pick whatever gift card you want. And yeah, get you some points, girl, and then you can send your referral code to somebody and you get more points, they get points. Okay, so the first page, I need to write a start date. Okay, so today is the 30th, 6/30, 2024 to 7/2024. So now we're gonna be stuffing $7. So we're gonna go in our $100 savings challenge envelope and stuff $7. So today is 6/30. So 100 savings challenge. Amount $7. $7. Okay, that's done. Now we're gonna color it in. So I'm using this low income savings challenge book and stuffing $100. Well, I'm trying to save $100 in 30 days. So I have until July 30th and it is currently July 15th. So we got 15 more days to stuff all this to get $100. So where is my savings binder? Okay. So I have a $1 savings challenge, $5 savings challenge, and $100 savings challenge. So this is that. So today we are going to be stuffing, I believe this is 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, $31. Put this to the side for right now. Get my markers, my metallic markers.
This blue is really pretty. 17. Oh, I hate going outside the lines. Oh my god. 25.
Ooh, I messed up. I was supposed to put my 5s in the $5 challenge and my 1s in the $1, but I'll just do that. I'll exchange it in another video, but I'm gonna put my 1s. Wait, let me make sure I track it, and when I get my paycheck, I'm gonna put $31 in here and my 5s in the 5s, 1s in the 1s. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Bear with me, y'all. I'm new with this and I'm still trying to get it down packed, but you can honestly, you can do it however you want to. There's really no wrong way. You budget how you want to budget. Okay, but I'm gonna just keep track of what I have for the $100 savings challenge. So press down first so the ink could flow through. So $31. Okay, there we go. Today is the 15th. You see how long ago? I be doing too much. I be trying to record and post videos, but I be doing other stuff, and I'm trying to stay on track. Oh wait, what am I doing? I'm trying to stay on track with posting, but it's freaking hard. I'm making it hard. And I'm not gonna track how much I'm putting in the $1 challenge and the 5 challenge, because I want to surprise myself at the end of the year. Even though we already 7 months in, but it's okay. And we're doing 15. Y'all be surprised how much you're saving when you just put little by little away. And that was my problem. Whatever I had, I would just spend it. Either on Amazon or food, okay? Because I'm a foodie. But yeah. Alright, y'all, that's it. That's it for this video. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know if you started your savings journey. Started with me, girl. Let's get this money. Alright, have a good one, guys. Goodbye.